Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have 3 work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company Dictate Express. They're looking for a transcriptionist, transcription editor. It pays up to $35 an hour. Dictate Express is hiring. We are a privately held United States-based company and certified small business providing transcription services to medical, government, legal, and law enforcement agencies across the United States. Legal editor, transcriptionist independent contractor. $250 retention bonus. Start today. The $250 retention bonus will be paid upon 90 days of successful full-time transcription. Work full-time from home anywhere in the United States. Dictate Express is currently seeking highly skilled legal transcriptionists, editors to work on large legal accounts. These positions are for production-minded, quality-focused transcriptionists. A successful transcription test will be required as a condition of hiring. You must be an American citizen residing in the USA. Must be willing to accept 90 minutes 120 hours of audio minutes per day. Requirement: 2 years of recent verifiable transcription experience. References will be checked. The monthly payments made by direct deposit. Reliably meeting established deadlines. Dictate Express will provide FTP software. Nationwide United States position. Pay is per 65 character line including spaces. Able to meet deadlines for a fast-paced, quick turnaround account. Additional work, additional shifts, temporary shifts, PRNS volume demands. Ability to proofread and spell, grammar check. Windows 10. At least 4 GB of RAM. High-speed internet. Foot pedal. Headphones. Must have Word and be familiar with all its functions. Ability to troubleshoot programs and Windows. FTP experience a plus. Must be able to meet deadlines. Must stay in contact and be reachable by managers. We look forward to adding you to our team. Job types: full-time, contract. Pay up to $35 per hour. Schedule: self-determined schedule. Supplemental pay types: signing bonus. Experience: typing, 2 years required. Language: English required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Cascade Virtual. They're looking for a virtual assistant. It pays up to $15 an hour. We are looking for a talented virtual assistant to work with a life coach. This person must be bilingual. Qualities: creative, for putting content together for social media. Bilingual, Spanish speaking. Tasks: social media, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram to drum up activity. Social media metrics, weekly reports. Calls, client reminders, and sales. Onboarding, pre-qualifiers, creation to qualifying potential clients. 15 soul connection calls. Offboarding, client connection contact with clients. Collecting reviews, video, possible video editing. Speaking opportunities, searching and creating. Programs: Dipsado, Canva, Stripe, Calendly, Kajabi. Products to sell. 2 courses. One-on-one sessions. Job types: part-time, contract. Pay up to $15 per hour. Benefits: flexible schedule. Schedule: Monday to Friday. Self-determined schedule. Language: Spanish and English required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Certapro Painters of Orange. They're looking for an administrative partner. It pays up to $30 an hour. Certapro Painters is the only choice for all of your residential and commercial painting projects in Orange, COP. We are committed to providing the highest quality work and professional service to all our customers. As an administrative partner, you're at the heart of your team's business operations and activities and the soul that keeps your team moving forward. Responsibilities: perform an extensive array of administrative tasks, coordinate duties for multiple offices, build efficiency and effective responsiveness into existing operations, and help define new operational strategies. Mentor new team members. Serve as a technical lead for and manager of small projects. Requirement: high school diploma required. 2-5 years of administrative support experience in related duties for directors or C-level executives. Experience using G Suite. A self-starter who can recognize where processes can be improved and takes the initiative to improve them. Strong communication skills. Strong business judgment, professional etiquette and organizational, analytical and problem-solving skills. Ability to multitask and work efficiently in a high-paced environment. Desired: project management experience. Proven ability to consistently and positively contribute in a high-paced, changing work environment with the ability to prioritize multiple functions and tasks and manage work time efficiently. Expectation of complete confidentiality on all business matters. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Proven ability to take initiative and build strong, productive relationships. Job type: part-time. Pay up to $30 per hour. Schedule: 8-hour shift, day shift, Monday to Friday. Experience: customer service, 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 3 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.